On April 18th, or Superman Day as it's known to some, the Warner Brothers studio tour in Hollywood will debut its newest edition, Superman Experience: Defenders Unite. We were invited out to preview the new immersive experience and wanted to bring you along to join in the fun. We started our adventure by hopping aboard our Super Tram to head to Stage 5 on the lot. On the way, Lois Lane and Jimmy Olsen filled us in on some of the things that have been going on around Metropolis, including some strange portals that have been showing up throughout the city.
This is the Daily Planet podcast. News, culture, and the occasional unexplained aerial phenomena.
I'm Jimmy Olsen. I take the pictures. And sometimes they let me talk.
And I'm Lois Lane. Today, strange portals over Metropolis are dropping interstellar debris.
On top of that, reports are coming in about unnatural weather patterns and flickering clouds across the globe.
Which Jimmy has decided to nickname
The Great Swirl. It's classy, it's mysterious, and sounds like a roller coaster brave enough to ride exactly once.
The moment we stepped foot through the doors of the soundstage, the experience kicked into high gear. We were divided into teams, given team names, and then whisked away to the gates of Superman's Fortress of Solitude, which was a lifelong dream for a superfan like myself. After a few moments of posing for pictures, Superman's Kryptonian robot Gary gave us some instructions and let us in.
And home. Step inside. Superman will be in touch shortly.
Hey, you're here. Good. Welcome to the Fortress of Solitude. It's not usually this crowded, but today, I can't do this alone. Portals are opening across the planet. People are getting hurt. I've been doing everything I can to close them, but it's not enough. That's why I chose you.
After hearing Superman himself tell me that I was both a good person and trustworthy enough to be given superpowers, I was ready to call the entire experience an unbridled success and be on my way. However, as the attraction had not actually started yet, I figured it was my journalistic responsibility to continue ahead. Within the next rooms, we designed our supersuits, practiced using our new powers, and trained at the Kent family farm, where we ran into an unexpected but not unwelcome visitor.
Wait, hold on. There's something heading this way. Fast, stay alert. It's... No. Stop it. Get away from the chickens. He's going to be a nuisance as long as they're loose.
The gameplay itself is fun, but very physically demanding. Each room is about 5 full minutes of cardio, ranging from boxing, throwing, or flying through obstacles. Even though it was all virtual, I definitely worked up a sweat, and as I sit here, one night after the experience, making this video, I am as sore as I ever was during any of my college swimming days. As the story progresses, we learn who's behind these mysterious portals, and get a face-to-face encounter with Darkseid.
So, you used my chaos shard to spread hope, like a disease.
It can't be. It's Darkseid.
You twisted my weapon into a comforting lie.
Darkseid, as he is known to be, is pretty mad that Superman has the audacity to spread messages of hope and justice, and has decided that he's going to take it out on the entire planet, starting with Metropolis. After a final showdown in the city and in space, we heroes emerge victorious and are given a score. Following a quick photo op with Superman, guests are then given time to explore the rest of the Fortress of Solitude, in a post-show area full of games, photo opportunities, and nods to the long history of the character. Out of the myriad of different activities there are to do in this post-show area, 3 of my favorites were the fetch game you could play with crypto, the Superman Archive, which featured clips from the old 1940s Fleischer cartoon serials, and, of course, the opportunity to get a photo with Gary, who is a full-blown audio animatronic figure. Now, for nerds like me, the area is also chock full of Superman Easter eggs, such as the Phantom Zone projector and an interactive bottled city of Kandor. The Fortress of Solitude Lounge will also offer guests the opportunity to rest and soak in the atmosphere with snacks and themed cocktails and mocktails. Finally, the Daily Planet gift shop is where you can pick up souvenirs related to anything Superman, ranging from Daily Planet press hats to LexCorp shirts, if evil billionaires are more your thing. There's even a wall full of Superman comic books, graphic novels, and omnibuses for the budding comic collector who's looking to get a new addition to their Superman collection. Superman Experience Defenders Unite is a separate ticketed attraction from the Warner Brothers Studio Tour in Hollywood and is also sold as an add-on to the Studio Tour. Guests can buy tickets both at supermanexperience.com and wbstudiotour.com for ticket bundle information. From Warner Brothers Studios in Hollywood to the Fortress of Solitude, Krypton, and everywhere in between, this is Joe with Attractions saying, have fun.